Hi, I'm Kate, and this is Vitamin K. And today I want to talk about using mindfulness to let go. One of the things that I've learned through chronic illness is one of the most difficult things is things coming into our life that we don't want to be there, and things leaving our life which we like. In terms of my illness, something like a migraine coming into my life would be something that I would resist. And, like maybe a good patch leaving my life would be something I would try to desperately like hold on to, like, wait, don't leave. Um, so what I've learned is that when something wants to come into your life and you resist it, you create more negative energy around that particular thing and in turn create more suffering for yourself. And for me, the extra added stress makes my pain worse, makes my fatigue worse, makes my whole body worse. Same thing with when something wants to leave my life, I'm holding on to it. That sort of like grasping, wanting, needing actually just adds more stress to my life. So what I've actually learned is that if I let things come into my life and leave from my life as they wish, things tend to go a lot more smoothly. And maybe my body still has pain and I still experience different symptoms, but the mental component of it doesn't sort of drag me down as far because I'm just sort of letting it go. Now, acceptance is a really hard thing. We want to have control over all of this. And I think one of my life lessons around chronic illness is that I don't have control and how to let go of control. So one of the things that we can do is first identify what is the thing maybe in your life that is trying to come in that you're resisting or is trying to leave that you're trying to hold on to. And what you can do is just take a moment with me and be still. I like to close my eyes to find stillness. Just take a breath and try to focus on your breath. And as you breathe, see what pops up for you. And you may need to take a few more breaths and continue doing this and pause the video until you see kind of what rises to the surface of your lake, what's coming up out of the bottom. That's cloudy or dusty down there that is something that maybe you're holding on to or something that wants to come that you're resisting. And we can kind of focus on that thing, but in the moment get grounded. So grounding exercises are things where you help center yourself in this moment, in this place, and to the earth. So what you can do is a grounding meditation where actually, if you sit, I'm seated right now, and as you're sitting here, you imagine roots going down into the earth so that you're completely supported from the earth and that you're completely rooted in this place. At the same time, you can feel the upper part of your body reaching up towards the sky. So you have everything sort of aligned, and you're imagining that your roots are pulling you down into the ground and the sky is pulling you upward. And this position and this sort of focus for meditation can help you feel very grounded in this moment and strong for whatever might come your way. So, the pain blows in, but you're here and you're strong and you're rooted and grounded in this spot. You're connected to the higher power. You're connected to the earth, and from that you can stay strong and stay where you are.